To our beloved President, Sir Christian R. Guzman, Sir. To our guest speaker, Sir Warley Remillo, Sir. To our respected Dean, Ma'am Nina Ann Bernadette Parahat, Ma'am. To the nurses leaders from our partners hospital, Ma'am and Sir. To the coordinators, clinical instructors, and to everyone present today. Exquisite afternoon, everyone. Ad astra per aspera, which means through hardships to the stars. Today, we gather not just to celebrate an achievement, but to honor a journey marked by sleepless nights, tough lessons, and moments of self-doubt, yet also filled with resilience, passion, and unwavering commitment. The cupping and pinning ceremony is more than just a tradition. It is a rite of passage, a symbol of dedication and an immense responsibility that comes with wearing the nurses' caps and pins. It stands as a testament to the sacrifices we've made, the knowledge we've gained, and the heart we've poured into this noble calling. Do you still remember the very first question asked on our first day of school? Why nursing? Back then, your answer maybe have been simple. Because I want to help others. Or maybe because it's my dream. It's my parents' dream. But after all the sleepless nights, overwhelming stress, and countless moments when you want to give up, has your answers changed? Nursing is not just about wearing a white uniform or passing exams. It's about the sacrifices, the resilience. It's about the silent prayers you whisper before an exam, the tears you wipe away after a difficult duty, and the strength you find when you think of the people who believe in you. I know there have been moments when you whispered, ayoko na, madikong, hangko kayati. The heavy nights, the endless requirements, the mounting pressure have made you feel like giving up. You've probably thought, hindi ko na kaya. When exhaustion drained you, when failure shook your confidence, and when the road seemed impossible. But in those moments, have you ever thought about those people who never uttered those words when it came to you? Have you ever considered the ones who stood behind you, supporting you every step of the way, even when you felt like giving up? Your parents, your family, those who sacrificed their comfort, their dreams, and even their own needs just to get to see you get this far. They never said ayoko na. Even when their life made it hard for them to provide for your tuitions, for our tuitions, our books, and even our daily necessities, they never gave up on us. Even when money was tight, when bills piled up, and when they had to choose between their needs and your future, they never turned away. They never said, hindi ko na kaya. Even when their bodies were tired and their hearts are heavy with worry, because to them, we are worth every sacrifices, every hardships, and every tear they silently shed. They endured not because it was easy, but because they believe in you. They believed in us, even when you doubted yourself. So let me ask you, have you thanked them enough? Nakapagpasalamat ka na ba sa kanila? Look beside you and say, thank you, Mama. Thank you, Papa. Thank you for all the sacrifices. Ayan. And now, here we are, now in level 3. We have passed our term exams, long quizzes, and most importantly, the toughest one yet, the battery exam. I remember those late nights with my friends, Angel, Precious, and Jimrain. We huddled over our notes, drinking coffee like it was water, and testing each other until we could barely keep our eyes open. We laughed, we cried, and we reminded each other that we were in this together. And now, as we stand on the edge of another milestone, I ask you, Have you looked your friends in the eye and told them, thank you? Because without them, this journey have been lonelier and this victory wouldn't be as big. This is a significant milestone that we should all be grateful for. We are not just lucky to be here. We are courageous enough that we have faced every battle that has come to our way as nursing students. Hindi naging madali ang mga daang tinahak natin at hindi magiging madali ang mga susunod pa. As we move forward, let us carry with us the lessons we've learned with passion that brought us here. There will still be challenges ahead, especially when we finally earn our licenses. Difficult patients, long shifts, moments of exhaustion. But let us always remember why we started. Let us hold on to our dreams, strive for excellence, for we are not just caregivers, we are advocates, comforters, and lifesavers. Through hardships to the stars, may we continue to rise above every challenges and shine as beacon of hope in the world of healthcare. Congratulations to all of us. Congratulations, future registered nurses, future board top-notchers, RN 2026. But, Sorbientes Salutis, RN na ka na ba? Thank you so much.
Thank you for that very uplifting message, Ms. Moises. Truly, the road